If you're looking for a more refined, blacked out look that upgrades the rear style of your F-150, then this lettering is definitely worth checking out. These inserts go inside the factory tailgate letters with gloss black pieces that offer a sharper contrast on bright paint and a stealthier aesthetic on darker or black trucks. Rather than removing or repainting the OEM lettering, these inserts give you the visual blackout treatment with less risk of any surface damage. The gloss black finish stands out subtly under the light, enhancing the tailgate's lines and giving your truck a customized look without being too over the top. Because they are molded to match the original letter shapes perfectly, they fit flush and maintain the spacing that came from the factory. They're designed to resist warping, fading, or peeling through exposure to sunlight over time, so you know they're gonna last you the long haul. These are made from very durable ABS plastic with a high gloss finish, and the inserts are engineered to endure the heat, UV rays, and the road conditions without cracking or yellowing over time. The backing adhesives and the mounting tabs align precisely with the factory letter cavities and the surfaces to ensure a secure, long-lasting adhesion without trimming or any fabrication needed to get them installed. You're just gonna wanna make sure you clean that surface really well before you stick them on there for the best adhesion. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install process here in a minute. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that low $100 price range. For a style upgrade that's minimalistic and very effective, it's sitting at a very solid price point in my opinion. Installation on this is getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in 10 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
What's up guys, today we're gonna be doing some tailgate lettering inserts on our F-150, so let's get started. Alright guys, so starting off, you wanna make sure your lettering area is nice and clean. If you do need to clean it, you wanna use a solvent-free cleaner so it doesn't leave any residue. And what we're gonna do is grab our first letter. It does have a cover for the adhesive backing. We'll take that off first. Pretty stiff and sticky. And we'll discard that. We're gonna come right over to our F. Get this lined up. You don't wanna press too hard at first. Make sure this sits where you want it. You need to adjust it. Once you have it nice, even, just give it a little push. Get that in place. And we'll do the same thing for the rest of our inserts. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our rear tailgate letter inserts in gloss black finish for your 21 to current F-150 without tailgate applique and Pro Access tailgate. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.